Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to level your Fortitude inside of Abiotic Factor. Fortitude's kind of a pain in the butt because to level it you have to physically take damage, and that generally means wandering around the environment, fighting things, and trying to take enough damage, and then finishing them off without dying. The alternative is to build a machine like one of the choppers. The spinning chopper fan here, just powering it and walking into it, or having like a laser beam that you can walk into as well. And that will deal a little bit of damage for every point of health that it takes away from you. However, not the most efficient, and it will also damage your armor, whatever armor you're currently using, over time. So the simple answer is grab yourself a shield, especially one that's cheap to repair, and then stand in front of the laser beam or the chopper, and that will give you a lot more fortitude. You see that? It's just going up by oodles and oodles. Whereas if I just stand in it by just taking my armor off and taking direct damage, it's only like a couple of experience per tick, 1 or 2, and that takes forever, and I'm only made of so much flesh. So it looks like the best way to do this is to just take your shield of choice, stand in front of the damage as long as you can, and then rinse and repeat when you fix your shield or recharge it, as the case may be in the one that I'm using. So I believe this one, ladies and gentlemen, this is the quickest way to level Fortitude inside of Abiotic Factor. I'm going to collate these all into one big guide a little bit later. So until then, I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.